Who is this self-help course for? Is this self-help course curing your DPDR step by step for you? That's an important question. To answer that, the first thing is, do you have depersonalization and or derealization and or dissociation flatlining? And is it from 1. Recreational drug use, 2. Extreme stress, panic, etc., or trauma? If the answer is yes, then this course could be for you. But we need to ask a few more questions. We need to know a little bit more. Do you also not have schizophrenia, psychosis, voices in your head? Are you also not on antipsychotics? Next, as we're talking about medication, if you're on any other medication, can you still feel in spite of your medication? You need to be able to feel, have the effect you want from this self-help course. Are you looking for a zero medication, therapy only cure for DPDR? Because that's what this is. I will never advise you to take any medication. I will do it by therapy only. And most importantly, are you willing to accept responsibility for yourself? Are you willing to be 100% honest about yourself, your emotions, your motivations? Are you willing to confront yourself? And are you willing to change? Are you willing to do whatever is necessary to heal? If those are yeses, then this course could be for you. If there's any doubt in your mind, please send me a message or call me and ask me personally. Have a good day and God bless.